Yeah, I'm out here right now, going for a bike right now. Yep, I'm gonna get on the seat, take it off, take it off. Cars coming. Yeah, only no busy cars today. One coming this way. Okay, I'm waiting until cars go by because of people. Yeah, I'm about to move over real fast. Yeah, I just moved over. Okay, y'all. Yep, I'm here. Yeah, I just had to. Yeah. I don't trust people, so I just wake up and go. Because I don't want people, try to hit me on nothing like that. Well, I'll do that. I don't want people hitting me like that. Yeah. Hey. Tony down here. This call too. This call Tony down here too. Hey. Hi. Okay. The hole because I don't want that hole. Hey. Hope y'all like this content. No people coming. Hey, hey! Okay. Always. It's always blocking the sidewalk. Always something, Always. Yep. Hey, hey! I'm going. Yeah. Yeah, I'm just out here right now, enjoying my beautiful day out here. Yeah, ouch. Yeah, I hope you're all doing good on this fabulous day. So, yeah, I'm not doing too much right now. Just came out the house not too long ago. Saw me when I came out. Who would have algae in it, weeds in it. Sucking. Yuck. That weeds. Checking. Yeah. I'm out here right now, just riding around. Not doing too much right now. Not doing too much at this moment. Okay, box truck. Didn't know that was. Yeah, I'm not doing too much right now. Did off my phone. It was a piece of something on my phone. It was like some kind of sauce or something. Yeah. And then it is 4:08 right now. Yep. I like tired. I like tired. So tired and nothing to do right now. Yep, I don't have nothing to do right now. At this moment, I don't. I don't have nothing to do right now. Yeah. All I can do is sit back and relax pretty much. I'm just standing here. Enjoy this cool breeze. A tad. Yeah. As right now, I'm just standing here. I'm not doing nothing. So I'm not doing nothing right now. I'm not doing nothing right now. I'm just over here standing around. Yeah, I'm not doing nothing right now. I'll be running around again. Go on, better do run around more because I don't have nothing to do right now. So what's the point, you know? I have nothing to do. I really don't. Yeah. Yep. You guys done recycling?
Yes.
Okay. Yeah. I'm about to go, y'all. I'm out.